अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। इंस्ट्रूमेंट कमीशनिंग टेक्नीशियन इंटरव्यू वीडियो सीरीज़ के फोर्थ पार्ट के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। दोस्तों, अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल प्लान इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें और नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर लें ताकि हर आने वाली नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। What is the procedure to test the smoke detector? Before starting the smoke detector testing, the logics interlocks like fire suppression system or emergency call should be forced. Prior to testing of smoke detector, see the LED status of the smoke detector. It should be blinking red. Apply the aerosol spray to the smoke detector and keep applying for 5 to 10 seconds. Solo A3, Solo A5, Solo A10, mostly using in oil and gas industries. The LED status of the smoke detector will change from the steady blinking red to steady red and fire alarm appears in hooter. Confirm the tag number with field device to HMI in fire alarm control panel and fire and gas workstation. Reset the alarm of the smoke detector from fire alarm control panel. Now the LED status will change from steady red to blinking, which means the smoke detector is normal. Repeat it for all the smoke detectors. Normalize the forced interlocks logics after completion the job. What is the loop test procedure for flame detector? Verify the flame detector alignments. It should focus on respective equipment, compressor tank form, dip switch setting to be done as per manufacturer guidance. Clean the detector display by cotton cloth. Apply the UV IR rays from UV IR torch to the flame detector. Check the status of horn, beacon and LED light status of detector for high alarm. Verify the DCS fire and gas color changing in graphics. How to test the hooter horn? Activate the horn from DCS fire and gas or through fire detectors. The sound of the horn hooter should be 85 dB to 120 dB in the distance of 3 meter from the horn. Verify the sound using decibel meter. Normalize the horn hooter. What is PST? A partial stroke test. PST is a procedure which is used to stroke emergency shutdown ESD valves partially. The typical range of a PST is 10% to 20% of valve movement. The set point for the PST depends on the process and manufacturer recommendations. What is split range control? Split range control is used when a single controller is required to control two final control elements, valves or cooler fans. In such a system, the controller struggles to keep one controlled variable at the set point using two manipulated variables. In most split range applications, the controller adjusts the opening of one of the valves when its output is in the range of 0 to 50% and the other valve when its output is in the range of 50% to 100%. Typical split range control is found in temperature control applications. What are the documents in loop folder? P and ID, instrument index, IO list, alarm list, pneumatic hookup, instrument loop diagram, ILD, instrument data sheet, calibration reports, certificates, punch list. What is cause and effect diagram? This diagram indicates the cause and instrument signal in one condition and its effects on other instruments connected in the loop as per the logic. The cause are mentioned in left side and effects are mentioned in top right side. What is pneumatic hookup diagram? Instrument pneumatic hookup diagram is also called installation drawing, specifies the scope of work between mechanical and instrumentation departments. It is detailed drawing showing typical installation of an instrument in correct manner and type of material to using in the particular tag number such as SS fittings, tubing, isolation valves, plugs, manifold, blocks, transmitter bracket, mounting type, vertical or horizontal. What is red markup? What is red line markup? Red line markup is commonly used to mark correction on existing construction drawings that relate from an engineering point of view. What is SAT? Site Acceptance Test or SAT is to validate that the control and safety systems are fully operational in accordance with their functional specification prior to using them to operate the processing unit. The SAT is performed after all systems have been tested and verified. Before this final stage, the complete system must be tested and commissioned.